The next thing we're going to do is add people's names that can be used to tag people that are in our photos. And the way we get to that is by clicking onto the single person icon in the toolbar. Now this is a text field just like the relationship manager was. And so I can basically type a carriage return and add a name down here at the bottom. And I can add as many as I want. And all of the names that are on this list will be available to me for tagging photos. And the way I can access them is down here in this keywords panel. I can tag anybody in my photos just by typing a few letters of their names, and it will autofill for me. Now, if you think that most of the people that you're going to tag in your photos already exist in your Max contacts, you can simply check this checkbox here in this panel, and it will import all the people from your contacts and make them available for tagging. When you're done, make sure to tap on this Save button, and that will bring all those names into QromaTag. If you want to cancel, just click on this icon again, and it won't save anything that you did. But in this case, I'm just going to hit Save. The last little bit of setup we're going to do is we're going to add some custom places into QromaTag. And what this will do is it will allow us to tag photos to very, very precise locations. Let me show you how that's done. The way that I get to the custom places presets is to tap onto this map pin icon, which is going to open up this interface. Now this interface allows me to enter into a search box a location. Any location. I can type in an address, I can type in a famous place. In this particular example, I'm going to type in the name of my elementary school that I went to when I was a kid, which is Nodden Elementary. And I'm going to hit the Enter key, and the map is going to try to take me to where it thinks that location is. And this is exactly right. This is the elementary school that I went to in San Jose. And this is something that I am going to use a lot when I'm tagging my photos. So if this looks good, I'm going to tap onto this button that says Apply, and that's going to add Nodden Elementary School to my custom presets list. And that includes the GPS coordinates, the actual address, the city, the state, the zip code, and in fact the country. And this is going to allow me to then use a preset anytime I have photos that are in that school. Now I'm going to give you one more tip when you do this, which is this name that is right to the left of this equal sign can also be used as the location name, and a very specific piece of metadata will be applied. So what I can do is I can actually edit this to make it look exactly as I want it to appear in the location metadata field. So I want this to be Nodden Elementary School. And I'm just going to go ahead and save it just like that. And then the benefit that I get from doing this is if I tag any photos in that school, I can then also globally search for Nodden Elementary School, and I'll find all those photos because that was saved in the location metadata field. So if this looks good, I'm going to go ahead and hit Save, and that will store my custom places presets. And then whenever I want to tag photos of that school, I can go over here to this map pin and then click on it and then go down here and apply Nodden Elementary School to those photos.